Hello everyone, today I am going to tell you how to delete all photos from Facebook. For this, you just have to open your Facebook app, just open it, and here tap on the menu icon, and then just scroll down and look for settings and privacy, then tap on settings, and here you just have to look for activity log. Here's that, just tap on it, and here you just have to tap on your Facebook activity, just tap on it and then tap on manage posts. Here you just have to select filters and then categories. Here select your post, photos and videos, and now select all. After selecting all, you just have to tap on trash. Just tap here and then move to trash. After that, your all photos will be deleted from your Facebook account. Thank you very much for watching the video.